Ever thought about the meditative benefits of certain plants in your garden? This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a peaceful sanctuary right in your backyard. With the right flora, your garden can become a haven of tranquility. Let's dive into the top 5 meditative plant choices. First on our list is lavender. This fragrant plant is known for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Its pleasant aroma is also a natural promoter of relaxation. Lavender is not just beautiful, but also a natural stress reliever. Next up is jasmine. This beautiful plant is not just a sight for sore eyes, but its fragrance has soothing effects on the nervous system. Known for improving sleep quality, its scent wafts through the night air, promoting tranquility. Jasmine truly adds a calming ambiance to your garden. Number 3 is chamomile. Revered for its soothing properties, chamomile shines as a tea that promotes relaxation and stress reduction. Its delicate flowers and calming aroma offer a serene experience. Chamomile is a perfect addition to your garden for both its beauty and calming properties. Fourth on our list is lemon balm. This plant is revered for its uplifting effects. Its citrusy scent is a natural mood booster, known to alleviate anxiety. It's like a breath of fresh air, really. Lemon balm brings a refreshing and positive energy to your garden. Last but not least, mint. This lively herb, with its refreshing aroma, can stimulate the brain and improve focus. Its scent is also known to promote relaxation, making mint a great choice for a refreshing and invigorating garden atmosphere. So there we have it: lavender, jasmine, chamomile, lemon balm, and mint. These are nature's top 5 serene companions for your garden. Consider their soothing qualities for a meditative outdoor sanctuary. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden wisdom. Happy gardening!